Let's get you breaking updates coming in on the Bengal violence. The UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has drawn the line, and Yogi Adityanath has talked tough on the violence that we are witnessing in West Bengal. He says that Bengal is burning and the India bloc remains silent. Yogi Adityanath questioning the Congress, the SP's silence over what's happening in West Bengal. Asking the Congress and the Samajwadi Party to speak up over what's happening in West Bengal. Remember, we've been getting you reports from West Bengal where several families have been forced to flee from their homes. Vehicles have been torched. Men, women, the elderly, children, none being spared in the name of the anti-Waqf law protests. And after the violence broke out, Yogi Adityanath has now questioned the India bloc allies for refusing to speak up on those who have been victims in West Bengal.
आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं। लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा इसे। आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं। लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं
My colleague Tetri is joining us on the broadcast with the details, and Tetri has been reporting from the ground, getting you the first-hand information, visuals and eyewitness testimonies on the violence that broke out. Tetri, Yogi Adityanath now asking not just the Mamata Banerjee government but also questioning the India bloc allies. Why the silence? Why don't the allies speak up on what's happening in West Bengal when Bengal is burning?
Well, absolutely. Remember that it's not just the government, not just the BJP or Yogi Adityanath who have been asking the questions to the TMC, to the West Bengal government, but the victims themselves, the residents of the Murshidabad, the people who are forced to flee from Murshidabad, they are also asking one question to Mamata Banerjee, to the state police, so as to where were they when the violence was taking place, what's happening next to them, what are the facilities that the government is going to provide, and where is the help that the government is providing them to those who are fleeing from one place to another. But the important point over here is that Yogi Adityanath is asking that why the Congress government, why Samajwadi Party is not speaking on this entire matter, why the Congress party is not speaking on this entire matter, why Samajwadi Party is not speaking on this matter. And in fact, he has also held TMC government responsible for whatever has happened in Murshidabad district. In fact, we have also seen not just Murshidabad district but the nearby district are also affected. And in fact, we also reported today from Bhangaur area, which falls in South 24 Pragnas district, where the violence had hit, and in fact number of protesters were heading towards Shelda. They wanted to protest, they wanted to join the protest, but in fact the West Bengal police had stopped them. Remember that when the situation went out of control, it was the leader of opposition, Suvendu Adhikari, who approached the High Court and filed a petition that the central forces should be deployed. So it's a clear matter of the fact that the state government, the state police was unable to control. That's why the central forces had to come in, and now it seems like the situation is not completely under control, but yes, partially under control. But yes, now we'll have to see that how TMC, Congress and
But
Samajwadi
who is
Party
responsible for the violence, and why hasn't the West Bengal Chief Minister spoken to the families, assured them that all will be well? And why is it that the India bloc leaders are not speaking up? Let's listen in to what the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said.
आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं? लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा इसे। आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं? लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए और मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा इसे। आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं? लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है।
IP Singh of the Samajwadi Party is with us on the broadcast. IP Singh ji, Yogi Adityanath has asked the India bloc partners, why don't you speak up on what's happening in Bengal? That Bengal is burning and yet writers have been given a free hand. He says कि secularism के नाम पे जो राइट कर रहे हैं उनको पूरी छूट दी गई है।
योगी आदित्यनाथ ने उत्तर प्रदेश में कानून व्यवस्था का बहुत बुरा हाल कर रखा है। यहाँ बहन बेटियां सुरक्षित नहीं है। प्रधानमंत्री जी के संसदीय क्षेत्र में 2-2, 3-3 छात्राओं के साथ लगातार गैंगरेप हुए हैं और अभी कासगंज में गैंगरेप हुआ जिसमें पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री कल्याण सिंह के बेटे राजवीर सिंह के साथ के लोगों ने गैंगरेप किया। उत्तर प्रदेश में संभल में दंगा होता है, वहां हत्याएं होती हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के बहराइच में दंगा होता है, वहां हत्याएं होती हैं। लगातार हत्याएं उत्तर प्रदेश में हो रही हैं, चाहे कानून व्यवस्था का मामला हो, चाहे दंगे हो, लेकिन उसे ये संभाल नहीं पाए, लगातार झूठ बोलने का काम करते हैं। आज उनका बयान है कि साहब सरप्लस इकोनॉमी हो गई। जब से वो मुख्यमंत्री बने 6,30,000 करोड़ रुपए बैंकों से उन्होंने लोन लिया है। उस पर वो बोलने को तैयार नहीं। जब उन्हें लगता है कि अब प्रधानमंत्री उन्हें हटाने वाले हैं तो इस तरह के अनाप शनाप।
सिंह जी, अच्छा, आप कह रहे हैं कि योगी आदित्यनाथ ये बयान पॉलिटिक्स के वजह से दे रहे हैं। आई वांट टू आस्क यू, वेस्ट बंगाल में जो हो रहा है उस पे समाजवादी पार्टी क्या कहना चाहती है?
भाई मैं कह रहा हूँ एनआईए केंद्र के पास है, केंद्र में बीजेपी की सरकार है। अगर ये दंगे, अगर ये फसाद हो रहे हैं तो सेंट्रल एजेंसीज क्या कर रही हैं? सवाल जवाब सरकार से होना चाहिए, पूछना चाहिए। अगर केंद्र सरकार वहाँ जो बांग्लादेश का बॉर्डर है अगर वहाँ सख्ती बरतती तो शायद इस तरह के जो वहाँ
जी, लेकिन जो प्रोटेस्ट हुआ है जिसके बाद ये घटना घटी है, जो वायलेंस हुआ है वो एंटी वक्फ प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पे शुरू हुआ था, जिसके बाद ये वायलेंस हुआ है। राहुल सिन्हा जी भी हमारे साथ है फ्रॉम द बीजेपी। आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्टे विद अस, आईपी सिंह जी। Rahul Sinha, the India bloc leaders have refused to condemn what's happening, and Yogi Adityanath has now said that in the name of secularism, writers are being given a free hand in Bengal.
नहीं, देखिए, ये जो विपक्ष का लोग है, इन लोग एक एक समय एक एक रूप लेते हैं। ये बीजेपी शासित राज्यों में इससे छोटा कोई घटना होता, पूरा देश भर ये लोग चिल्लाना चालू कर देते। लेकिन आज जब पश्चिम बंगाल में 2 आदमी का मौत हो गया, उनका घर में घुस के जो राइट करने वाला मुसलमान लोग उनको मारा, इतना सारे घर जला दिया, जो बेघर हो गया दूसरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट चले गए। उसके बाद भी यही पर जो फिराद हाकिम जो मिनिस्टर है वो बोल रहा है उसमें क्या है, एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट से दूसरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो गया, वो तो एक ही राज्यों में है। तो आज फिराद हाकिम या ममता बनर्जी का घर ऐसे तोड़ देगा और वो बेघर हो जाएगा, तो लोग बोलेगा ये इस घर से तो उस घर में है। तो ऐसा जो बयानबाजी जो तृणमूल का लोग देते हैं, इसके बाद भी कांग्रेस हो, समाजवादी पार्टी हो, कोई भी पार्टी कुछ नहीं कह रहा है, कुछ नहीं बोल रहा है, कोई जुलूस नहीं निकाल रहा है। मतलब ये बंगाल में हुआ इसीलिए ऐसा है, कोई बीजेपी शासित राज्यों में होता तो एकदम राहुल गांधी से लेके सारे लोग उसी जगह चलो, उसी जगह आंदोलन करो, ये सब चलते हैं। तो इन लोगों का ये जो सांप्रदायिकता का राजनीति का मुखौटा है, ये सब आज खुल गया लोगों का सामने। इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ जोगी जी ने जो कहा एकदम सच कहा और अनुभव का ऊपर खड़ा होके कहा, और तो इसलिए मैं समझता हूँ एकदम सही बात, और बाकी सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को इसके खिलाफ उतारना चाहिए।
ओके, प्रमोद तिवारी ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी इज आल्सो विद अस। प्रमोद तिवारी जी, योगी आदित्यनाथ ने ये पूछा है कि इंडिया ब्लॉक पार्टनर्स जो वेस्ट बंगाल में हो रहा है इसके बारे में कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे। इनफैक्ट we'll try and reconnect that line with Pramod Tiwari. We have my colleague Adeep joining us on the broadcast. And Adeep, the UP Chief Minister has spoken up on what has happened in West Bengal, and we just want to contrast it with what leaders of the TMC have been saying, what the India Bloc leaders have been saying, providing cover fire, justifying the acts of violence by saying that it has all been started by the BJP. The UP Chief Minister saying that it is in the name of secularism that the rioters are being given a free hand.
Well, definitely, Pratibha, see, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he was in Hardoi today, from where he has it out at the TMC government, and in fact, the entire India Bloc parties. He went on to say that those people who are doing violence, they cannot be handled with words, but they are to be dealt with the force. So the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also went on to say that the parties like Congress and Samajwadi Party, they both are silent on what's happening in West Bengal, and people over there, they are creating violence. In fact, the leaders from the Samajwadi Party, they are blaming the BSF, and they are saying that it's the central leadership who gave orders to BSF to use the force on the people, and after that the violence, the protest turned violent in West Bengal. So now the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, he has it out at the TMC government and the opposition parties, including the Congress and Samajwadi Party, for their stand on the violence in West Bengal. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is saying that both the parties, they are silent on what's happening in West Bengal. Pratibha. And
Yogi Adityanath has one simple question for the opposition. Bengal is burning. We have witnessed the violence that's taking place in Bengal. Why aren't the opposition leaders speaking up? Listen in to what the UP Chief Minister asked the opposition parties.
आप देख रहे होंगे बंगाल जल रहा है, वहां की मुख्यमंत्री चुप है, दंगाइयों को शांति दूत कहती है। अरे लातों के भूत बातों से कहां मानने वाले हैं। लेकिन सेकुलरिज्म के नाम पर इन लोगों ने दंगाइयों को दंगा करने की पूरी छूट दे रखी है। पूरा मुर्शिदाबाद पिछले एक सप्ताह से चल रहा है, सरकार मौन है। बहनों और भाइयों, इस प्रकार की अराजकता पे लगाम लगनी चाहिए।
Tejri also continues to stay live with us. And Tejri, you know, as we were speaking about what you've witnessed in Murshidabad, in South 24 Parganas as well, there are families who have been forced to flee their homes. And Yogi Adityanath says that these rioters have been given a free hand. It's important to mention that till now, Mamata Banerjee has not met the victims. None of the TMC leaders have in fact spoken to the victims, assuring them that the state government is with them.
Well, absolutely. That's the biggest question over here, that why the sitting government of West Bengal is not even going and talking to the victims, is not asking about their condition, despite the fact that the victims, the family members have been repeatedly saying this fact that we need help, what the state government is doing for us, we need to know. And in fact, they are raising the big questions as to where was the state police when this entire violence was taking place, what the state intelligence was doing, why the state intelligence was not having this particular intel that there is something going to happen in the district of Murshidabad. And certainly if something like this is happening, this is not an immediate response. This must have been a pre-planned conspiracy post that this entire violence had taken place in the district of Murshidabad. But again, then the question are all raised towards the West Bengal government, so as to what the government is doing now, why they have not a single time spoken to the victims, even with the family members of those who lost their
just
lives.
a moment, because since Yogi Adityanath has spoken about the India bloc being silent, I want to bring in Mr. Rashid Alvi as well of the Congress party. Mr. Rashid Alvi, thank you for joining us. Yogi Adityanath says that in the name of secularism, the writers have been given a free run. He asks the India bloc leaders, so when you can see that Bengal is burning, why not speak up?
Why Bengal is burning? It is the important thing. It is only because there is a protest against this Waqf Act. And definitely there should be no violence. But it is the BJP government which is responsible whatever is happening in Bengal, and not only in Bengal. In every corner of the country, Muslims have come out to protest. They have this right. Constitution has given this right that any community, any individual can protest, can demand. And as far as Yogi Ji is concerned, I request him that he is the chief minister. He should have control over his language. It is not proper. It is not good at all.
Mr. Rashid Alvi, would you want to spare a word or say something about the rioters who have unleashed this violence, forcing people to flee their homes in Bengal?
Nobody can support any violence anywhere in the country. Who is supporting violence? Even Mamata Banerjee is not supporting violence.
Okay.
It is her state. But important thing is that no government should intervene in any religious matter. It should not happen. Constitution doesn't allow any government to intervene.
Okay, but it's not in religious matters. It is in the matters of land, as clarified by the government. We'll have to leave that debate for another day. Mr. Rashid Alvi, thank you for joining us. On the violence that has broken out in West Bengal, none from the India bloc has come out to call out the violence, to stand with the victims who have been forced to flee their own homes because there is no action taken against them. Yogi Adityanath says that it is in the garb of secularism that these rioters are being given a free hand.